Today's video is about, can you LED older cars? This is a 2001 Crown Vic. It is going to get some LEDs, plug and play LEDs that will take care of any issues you have with your lighting, because a lot of the older cars are very deficient in having enough light. The lights that we use, the LED we use, are top of the line. Let's get started. What's one of the most irritating things going down the road at night? Not being able to see. So let's take our panel tools. Every car is different when it comes to removing the headlights. Take your panel tool, you hook it on this tab right here. Pop that up. Same with this one. That means the headlight can come right out. And you just remove the clips on each one. Now you can do this a lot of times without taking the headlight out. On the older cars, they're usually a lot easier to get to. Alright, we pulled the bulb out. Take a look and see what the bulb is. This is a 9007. As I said, these are plug and play. Pull your bulb out. That's what it looks like right there. Pretty slick. So what you do, it's real simple. With these we use, they come user friendly. Turn that one tiny turn, pull that off. Once you've removed that, poke that through, just like that. Then you take this, put it back on. 1/4 turn. You'll feel it. Try not to touch the LED bulb. And we are ready to put it back in. Take our headlight and we install that back inside. Put the bulb in till you feel it go in. It only goes one way. It's like that. And once you get it up in there, all you do is turn that 1/4 turn and it's in. Now what I'm going to do is put this all together, do both headlights. You've seen the pictures at the beginning of the video, what it looked like. We're going to show you how nice it looks afterwards. Alright, now what I'm doing is holding the camera by hand so it'll shake a little bit. These little buggers right here, if you can see that right there, you got to make sure they're somewhat straight when you're going back in because they swivel. There's two on this side right here, one at the top and the bottom, and you just make sure these go over those slots that are in these plastic pieces right there, and you're good to go. Can't wait for you to see what it looks like when we're done. Alright guys and gals, we are done. 2001 with LEDs, baby.